Hello fanatics, Crazy Russian Dead here, and because it might be sunny where you are, I wanted to show you a storm. Of course, the rest of my family is asleep at home. If they knew I went outside, they would kill me. You see, I'm wearing this fancy GoPro right here. I'm going to record everything I see. For you fanatics. As you can see, I'm the only one on the street. That's right. There's my house. There's my car. The roads are pretty horrible. I definitely do not recommend driving in these horrible conditions. Besides, I think I'm the only one on the road anyway. I'm going towards the beach because I want to see what the ocean looks like during this storm. Yeah, visibility pretty horrible, but I see some kind of a vehicle on the road. There is a snowplow right there. I also just saw a police car. I hope they don't catch me. But I'm not doing anything illegal, just stupid. Okay, we're here on the beach. It says no dogs allowed, no problem. My dog is asleep at home. And now I'm recording. In fact, I'm recording myself. Very meta. Anyway, let's go, fanatics. Whew. Let's go see what's going on here with this Atlantic Ocean. The wind is pretty bad. Look at this. Who wants to go for a swim? Pretty impressive. Let's go across the street, people, and see what's going on there. My God, look at this. It's like I'm on the moon. Whoa! You see this? My God. Ah! Like this, fanatics. This was probably a stupid idea. Look at those waves. Unbelievable. Look at that wave. Ooh. I love it. I love it. Stay here. Probably a dumb idea. My wife would kill me now. You know, honorable woman, yes, just for being here. Okay, I may need to go home before my iPhone flies away, people. But anything for my fanatics. Oh my God, this was amazing! But please, I have a favor to ask. Do not tell my children, or my cardiologist, or my parents, or my wife, honorable woman. Basically, let's keep it our little secret. Please do not do what I just did, even though it was kind of fun. Stay safe, stay warm, be at home, enjoy life. Good night.